guys? You're watching another video. Before we get into the video, everyone right now hit that subscribe button if you guys are not already. Subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button for me. It helps me out a lot. Helps my video get discovered by new people. And thank you guys for watching another video. Right now we're on the way to the homie Rick's shop. As you guys can see, it's oil change time on the GTR. I do so many oil changes on this car, bro. It's not even funny, but I have to do oil changes if I want the car to run forever. But it's not that much actually. Like, a lot of people ask me how much it costs to do maintenance on the GTR. It's not bad at all, bro. You would think it's a lot because it's like a supercar and everyone assumes that everything on a GTR is expensive. If something breaks on your GTR, it's expensive, but the maintenance isn't too bad. The oil change, I bought this for like 50 bucks for the oil and the little filter right here. 50 bucks, that's not bad at all. And if you do it on your own, that's all you have to pay. Me and the homie Rick are about to do it real quick. It should take us like 20 minutes to do. It's super easy to do. I was gonna do it at home because I know a lot of you guys like that last DIY video I did with the 350Z. If you guys have not watched that video, go watch it right now. I installed new coilovers on the 350Z, guys, all by myself. I don't know how I did that. I don't know how I pulled that off. I still don't know if I did it right, but hopefully I did. But if you guys haven't watched that video, go watch it right now. New coilovers on the 350Z and a new 350Z video. So I was gonna do the oil change at my house, but it's way easier when the GTR is on a lift because this car has a lot of like under tray panels. I don't know, it's just easier on a lift. So we're gonna go to the homie shop, do it on his lift. It's gonna be way easier, way faster. Today we're using Mobile One 0W40. It's like what GTR Nissan recommends. I mean, my car's not built or anything. It doesn't have like built internals, so this should be good, honestly. It's the one that Nissan recommends. And then we got a K&N filter. All filters are pretty similar, but K&N's a pretty good brand. That's all you need for the oil change. It's super easy. Other maintenance on a GTR, I've done a transmission fluid flush, and we did a differential fluid flush. They recommend doing that, I think, at like 20,000 miles on your GTR. I think I might have paid like $1,000 for that. I think the transmission fluid's very expensive, but $1,000 on that. And like I said, just regular oil changes. That's the only maintenance you really have to do on these cars. Guys, I've been trying to post way longer videos. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the last videos were like 20 minutes, 18 minutes, 16 minutes. If you guys enjoy the longer vlogs, comment down below, let me know. The homie pet shop, they got a GTR. That's the homie where I get all my tires from. Shout out to the homie Pets. But they got a GTR outside. This shit's clean. It was red too. Is this the cop? Looks like a cop, huh? He was straight looking at me. Oh! Wanna race? You guys think you'll race? Alright guys, we made it. After like 30 minutes trying to get it onto the lift. That's what takes the longest, bro. I hate low cars, bro. Trying to put them on a lift or jack stands or anything. That shit takes forever, bro. We had to use pieces of wood. I don't know, the car's too low. But let's do it. This should be pretty easy. It's bad?
See, I don't know. Oh.
This shit's hot.
Pretty low.
Oh, hell no. Then what is all that?
There's an oil.
Guys, look it. We just looked under the car. What is this, bro? And look, it's leaking hella oil. Oh my god, dude. I hope it's nothing too serious, but good thing we did the oil change today, bro. Not anytime longer. It's literally leaking all this oil under here. But this looks like we actually punctured something, bro. There's no way I just did this like right now, bro. Like,
nah, it looks like you didn't tighten something correctly.
I don't know. We'll see right now.
What do you think it's leaking?
Filter? Look at that, guys. Look at all the oil. It's leaking so much oil, bro. I'm thinking this is where it was coming from. I think it is from the filter, guys. Look. You can see like right there.
The back of it?
Or we just tightened it too tight or some shit, huh?
Nah.
It's all coming from that side.
But this is like splashing it when you're going. It's bringing it over. Right.
Hopefully it's just that.
Man, is that loose?
Ah, this is professional, dog. Iron me, fool. That shit was hot. Look at that, guys. Uh-oh, it's black. And good thing we found that leak too. We're fixing it now. We got a new filter, so we don't have to worry about that leaking anymore. I know, I feel like it's the same brand, so hopefully this one doesn't leak too, but I'm gonna just check it. I'll do oil change like way sooner next time.
3,000 miles?
Yeah.
Mechanic Nick.
No mames, güey. Alright guys, we did everything underneath. The filter, the drain bowl, drained all the oil. Now, we just fill it up with oil, and it's done. That's it, super easy. You should put like Monster Energy in there. Make me faster.
What's some?
Some Red Bull? Well, I've been working on my car a lot.
What?
I did the coilovers.
This was a mechanic now.
Putting oil in the car. Alright, we're done guys. That was super quick. Oil changes on these cars are super easy. The color looks crazy in here. I honestly love the color, like in inside lighting, you know? I don't know, inside lighting just makes it look crazy. Makes the colors pop. Guys, we made it to this little race meet. A bunch of fast cars are out here. I didn't bring the GTR, but we just pulled up with the homie rig. But yeah, I guess this is the one that's racing today against this red one over there, which is the homie rig's friend. Which one am I going for? I don't know, bro, but I think one's twin turboed and the other one has a big old supercharger, I think, or a Whipple. We got that Supra, Mustang, Camaro, and they're all not stock, bro, as you can see. Oh, I got another twin turbo in this too. God damn. BMW on some Apexes. This one's so clean though. That wheel setup is beautiful. Look at this, guys. That shit's for sure fast. Look at the seat, bro. And the wheels. This Supra's clean too. Not a 2J. Not a 2JZ. This shit's sick, bro. Carbon fiber doors, carbon fiber hood, fender. Damn, Gustavo needs the door, bro. Literally, the car's almost fully carbon fiber. You just need the front bumper, the quarter panels, and that's it. That is a sick Supra, bro. How much horsepower does these make? Like around
800, 900?
800? Oh my god. Damn, it's a fat tire. Oh my god, now you let it through. Pull. Jeez. Damn, this shit's crazy. This is low, bro. All blacked out. I love all black cars. I missed my all black setup on the GTR, to be honest, guys. I was looking at photos. Yes, the purple is crazy, but all black, you can't go wrong, bro. All right, everyone's about to roll out. So guys, they're racing for $1,000. Who's gonna win? Comment down below, the red one or the black one? I think twin turbo and then the Whipple. Comment down below. I know just as much as you guys, so I don't know which one's faster. We'll see. I think Rick put money on this guy though, so hopefully this guy wins so Rick can win some money. The whole freeway got smoked. God damn, it just smells. Oh my.
Whose is it?
I don't know.
I think it's my boy Danny's.
Guys, like it's still smoking. The whole freeway was full of smoke.
It's like particles on the really bad.
Guys, look at this. That sucks, bro. Everyone's looking.
full or what?
You see oil in the back.
I mean, I can see oil on the ground on the way over here. Where's Drake? Hey, I know you can see it up here. The rider in the bottom.
Oh, that sucks, bro. That's all bad. I don't know if I caught it on video, but yeah, the whole freeway just smoked up, bro.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25, I'm thanking God for letting